Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix Valorant black screen inside your laptop or PC. So how can you fix that? Now first of all, step one is just go to the Valorant application, right click on it, and if you're using Windows 11 you'll see this interface. If you're using Windows 10 so you will see this kind of interface. So from here just click on properties, and once you click on properties just go to compatibility, and once you are inside the compatibility section, so you can just turn this on, run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8. If it is to someone else, just go to Windows 8 and just run this program as an administrator. Once you tick this one, just click on apply and click on OK. And after that, restart your PC or laptop once and try to run it if it is fixed or not. If you're still facing the issue, so what you can do is just go to search section and search services, and once you search services, so inside this services section just you just need to find the file called VGC. Make sure that you have installed the Valorant, and you will find it inside the like V section. And let me just find it right here along with the virtual disk. You will see VGC file. Now I have not installed Valorant, that's why I'm not able to see it. But once you find the VGC, just right click on it, click on properties, and startup type is manual, so just make sure to turn it to automatic. Click on apply, click on OK. After that, just restart your laptop or PC once more, and hopefully your problem will be fixed. That is a simple and easy process of how you can fix that.